Inner Fish by Tanya Shatseva. Special treatment starts with electric diamonds for the bubble. So that is the semicircle that we see surrounding the goldfish. That is in electric diamonds, together with some of the highlights in this painting, such as the portion of her lip, on the upper lip, as well as on the corner of her mouth. So on the lightest areas of the picture, sprinkle the electric diamonds that you get. For version 2, we've got ice crystals that we have sprinkled in the blue background. So place them on the blue areas in the background. And finally, for version 3, we've got auburn crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the orange areas. This includes the goldfish together with her lips. So sprinkle it in that area. You can choose to only have it on the goldfish, or you can choose to have it only on her lips, or as what we've done here, where we have sprinkled it both on the goldfish and also on her lips. Once again, for Inner Fish by Tanya Shatseva. Version 3 special treatment, we've got electric diamonds, ice crystals, and auburn crystals.